Welcome to another video brought to you by AccessLearningZone.com. I am your instructor, Richard Rost. This video is to introduce a new tutorial / template that I have on my website that is to show you how to build relational combo boxes, which a relational combo box is a combo box that gets its value from another table or query instead of just a static list of options. Now I have another video on my website and on YouTube, a free video and template called my combo box template, and in that database I show you how to build a simple combo box that's based on a single list of options. Here's the database right here, and we have a title combo box, and I show you how to make a list where you can pick Dr., Miss, Mr., Mrs., or whatever you want in that combo box. This is just a list of options that you type in that the user can pick from. The problem is, if you have this same combo box on multiple forms, anytime you want to update or change it, you have to modify multiple forms. So in my relational combo box tutorial, I show you how to create a title table where you can just simply edit this list in a table, and then those updates will show up in every combo box in your database. You won't have to go through and modify multiple combo boxes. I also show you how to make a combo box based on a list of, for example, your customers. So down here in the contacts portion of this form, you won't see customer ID 2. You'll see a list of your customers. And the only way you can do this is by relating multiple tables together. In this case, customers and contacts. So first check out my combo box database template, which is free, and you can see how I build that with the basic combo box. There's the link right there. I'll put it in the description below the video. And if you want to learn how to build the relational combo box, you can also find information on that page right there. Thanks for watching. Again, my name is Richard Rost. Be sure to check out my free Microsoft Access beginner tutorial, 3 hours long. If you like level 2, it's just $1. And if you have any questions, there's my personal email address. Feel free to drop me a line.